Good morning children, welcome back to EVS subject. Today we are going to see a new lesson number 25, My District, Your District. This is your last lesson children. So I have completed all the second semester EVS lessons. So you have to study for SA2 exam. Okay. Let us move on to the lesson number 25, My District and Your District. After studying this lesson, you will come to know about your district. Okay. Look at the picture. It is Mallepura village. There are many houses here. See children, this is the map of Mallepura village. You can see many houses here. So this Mallepura village belongs to Channarayapatna Hobli. So in this Hobli there are a number of villages like Mallepura. See children, here Mallepura is one village, and like this, like Mallepura village, so many villages are there in Channarayapatna Hobli. So group of some villages is called as Hobli. Okay. And here is a picture of Hoblis. Many Hoblis together form a taluk. Look at the picture. A group of Hoblis called as a taluk. So what is taluk children? Many Hoblis together form a taluk. So here one example is there, that is Devanahalli taluk. In this many Hoblis will come. So what are those? Kundana, Vijayapura, Channarayapatna and Devanahalli Kasar. These are the Hoblis of Devanahalli taluk. Okay. Next, if you are living in a village, know the names of Hoblis and taluk in which it is located. If not, write the name of a village that you know and write the names of Hobli and taluk in which the village is located. For example, in this box you can write it here. For village you can write Bhagwati. Bhagwati belongs to Bagalkot Hobli and Bagalkot taluk. Okay. In which village you are living, you should know the names of your Hobli and your taluk in which your village is located. If not, write the name of any village that you know and write the names of Hobli and taluk in this box. Okay. Next, make a list of Hoblis of your taluk and display it in your classroom. You know that a taluk consists of many Hoblis. Observe the map given below. See children, many Hoblis together form a taluk. So just now we have learnt. So observe this map. This is the Bengaluru rural district. So many Hoblis form a taluk and many taluks form a district. Yes, many taluks together form a district. So in Bengaluru rural district, how many taluks are there? See the picture and name the taluks. Yes, Nelamangala taluk, Doddaballapura taluk, Devanahalli taluk, Hoskote taluk. These are the taluks of Bengaluru rural district. So you can observe in the picture. So in that particular taluk, so many Hoblis are there. And in that particular Hoblis, many villages are there. Okay. Like this, Nelamangala, Doddaballapura, Devanahalli, Hoskote, these are the taluks of Bengaluru rural district. So you can observe in the picture. A group of many taluks is called a district. Now we have learnt Hoblis, taluk and district. So many villages form a Hoblis and many Hoblis form a taluk and many taluks form a district. So a group of many taluks is called a district. Identify the district which is given in the map and say. See children, this is Bengaluru rural district. This is the map of Bengaluru rural district. Okay? Okay. Next, many districts together form a state. So, like Hubli, Taluk, district, many districts together form a state. Our state is Karnataka, isn't it? So, we know our state is Karnataka. Okay. Do you know how many districts are there in our state? Observe the map of Karnataka. Make a list of districts given there. Give the total number of districts. So, here Karnataka map picture is there. In this map many districts are there. We have to observe and we have to mention how many districts are there in our Karnataka. So, actually children, there are 31 districts are there. But in the map they given only 30 districts. The new district is Vijayanagara. Vijayanagara district is newly added in the Indian state of Karnataka. Vijayanagara located in the Hyderabad Karnataka region. This district was carved out of Ballari district in 2020 to become the 31st district of the state. So total how many districts are there? There are 31 districts in Karnataka state. Okay. One by one we will read now. Turn the page number 195. You can read and write the name of the districts here. So first one is Bidar, Kalburgi, Vijayapura, Yadgiri, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Raichur, Dharwad, Gadag, Koppala, Uttara Kannada, Haveri, Ballari, Shivamogga, Davangere, Udupi, Chikkamaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Hasan, Tumukuru, Chikkaballapura, Kodagu, Mysuru, Mandya, Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Ramanagara, Kolar, Chamarajanagara, Vijayanagara. So these are the districts of our state. So complete this activity children. So how many districts are there as of the year 2021 children? As of the year 2021, there are 31 districts are there in our Karnataka state. Here I have written all the districts names of our Karnataka. So you have to write all the districts names of our Karnataka in your textbook. Okay. Okay. Next, total number of districts in Karnataka state. Answer is 31. Next, name of your district. Our district is Bagalkot. Taluks of your districts. In Bagalkot districts, how many taluks are there children? So, write it here. Badami, Bagalkote, Bilgi, Guledgudda, Rabkavi, Banhatti, Hunugund, Ilkal, Jamkandi and Mudor. These are the taluks of Bagalkot district. Okay? Okay. Next, look at the map of our state. Which districts are located in northern and southern end of the state? So children, what you should do? You should mention district which located in north side and south side. Okay? Answer is the districts which is located in northern end is Bidar district. Okay? And the district which is located in southern end is Chamarajanagara district. Okay? Okay. Next, one more activity is there. Write the name of the districts which surround your district in the table given below. So, you should write the names of the districts which surround your districts. So, first you should mark your district in the Karnataka map and other districts which surround your district you should write in the given table. Understand children? Yes. So, you can write it here. In the east direction, which district is there? Raichur district is there. In west direction, which district is there? Belagavi district is there. In the north side, which district is there? Vijayapura district is there. In south side, which district is there? Gadag district is there. In southeast, which district is there? Koppala district is there. In southwest, which district is there? Dharwad district is there. Okay. Okay, you can complete this activity, children. Next, observe the picture of animals and birds which are found in our state are given below. So these are the some animals we can find in your Karnataka state. Which are those, children? Peacock, bear, cow, tiger, crane, sparrow, deer, elephant, parrot, rabbit, snake, horse, sheep, pigeon and squirrel. These are the animals which we can find in our state. Okay. Okay. Here one activity is there, children. Make a list of the animals and birds which are found in your district. Okay. So this all about your district. After this lesson, you come to know about your district. It may be animals, birds, neighboring district, crops, industries, occupation, etc. So this is also one activity. So collect and write animals and birds which are found in your district. So you can write it here. Animals which found in our Bagalkot district. Which found in our Bagalkot district are rabbit, snake, squirrel, cow, sheep. And animals which found in our Bagalkot districts are parrot, pigeon, peacock, crane and sparrow. So complete this activity, children. Next, ragi, jowar, maize, sugarcane, coconut, areca nut, grains, oil seeds, etc. are grown in different districts of our state. So in Karnataka state, I said 31 districts are there. So in all the districts, all the people will grow different types of crops. Like it may be rice, ragi, jowar, maize, sugarcane, coconut, areca nut, grains, oil seeds, etc. So many crops they will grow. So here one activity is there. Make a list of major crops of your district. So here again about your district. So you have to make the list of major crops of your district. Okay. For example, your district is Bagalkot, no? So you can write here major crops of Bagalkot district are jowar, maize, bajra, wheat, ragi, oil seeds, groundnut, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco and sunflower. Okay. So complete this activity. Next, industries like sugar, cement, fertilizer, aeronautic, fabric and paper, etc. are found in different districts of our state. So in our Karnataka state, there are 31 districts are there. So in all the 31 districts, there are different industries are there. Like it may be sugar industry, cement industry, fertilizers, aeronautic and fabric, paper, etc. So many types of industries are there in all the different districts. So here one activity is there. Make a list of industries which are found in your district. See children, in your district, what type of industries are there, you have to write here. Okay. Yes. For example, your district is Bagalkot. So which industries are there in Bagalkot district? Yes, you can write it here. Cement industry, sugar industry, fertilizer industry. These are the industries which are found in Bagalkot district. So complete this activity, children. Next, we find different occupations like agriculture, fishing, manufacturing cloth, making baskets, pottery, etc. in the districts of our state. Here you can see, children, observe the picture, different types of occupations which we can see in different districts. In some districts they will do agriculture, and in some district they will do fishing. In some district they will do pottery and making baskets and making clothes. Okay. Here one activity is there, children. So complete this activity with the help of your teacher or elders. Make a list of the major occupations found in your district. For example, your district is Bagalkot. So which are the Bagalkot major occupations, children? That you can write it here. Okay. You can write it here. Occupations of Bagalkot districts are agriculture, pottery, sericulture, manufacturing cloth, making baskets. Next, rivers like Bhima, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Netravati and Kaveri flow in our state. See, children, these are the rivers which flow in our state. So, which are those? Bhima, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Netravati, Kaveri. Yes. So these rivers are flow in our Karnataka state. Have to find out which river will flow in your district. So you have to find out and complete this activity. Okay. Yes. For example, your district is Bagalkot. So write the names of rivers which flow in Bagalkot district. So you can write it here. Ghataprabha river, Malaprabha river, Krishna river. These are the rivers which flow in Bagalkot district. Okay. Complete this activity, children. Next, the pictures given below depict the speciality of famous places of our state like Hampi, Stone Chariot, Vijaypura, Gold Gumbaz, Mysuru Palace, Bengaluru Vidhan Sauda, Shivamogga Jog Falls, Mandya Kokkare Belluru Bird Sanctuary. They also depict the specialities of the concerned districts. Every district has its own famous places. See, children, these are the famous places of our Karnataka state, and they also depict the specialities of the concerned districts. So, in the Hampi district, the stone chariot is famous. Like this, in Vijaypura, Gold Gumbaz is very famous, and in Mysuru district, Palace is famous, and in Bengaluru district, Vidhan Sauda is famous, and in Shivamogga district, Jog Falls is famous, and in Mandya district, Kokkare Belluru Bird Sanctuary is famous. So like this, write the names of famous places of your district and complete this activity. For example, your district is Bagalkot. So write the famous places of Bagalkot district. So you can write it here. Badami, Aihole, Makuta, Almatti, Patadkal. These are the famous places of Bagalkot districts. And you can find out why these places are famous. Okay. Next, collect the pictures of famous places of your district and paste them here. Okay. Complete this activity, children. See, children, you can collect the pictures of famous places of your district and paste them here. Okay. Complete this activity, children. Next, each district of our state is unique. Each district has its own weather, crops, industries, occupations and famous places. Know about your district, go on a tour to other districts and try to know more about them. See, children, in our Karnataka state, there are 31 districts are there. So each districts of our state, they are very unique because each district has its own weather. So all the districts weather is differ, and even they will grow many different types of crops according to their weather and climate. and many different types of industries are there, like fishing, cement industry, paper industry, etc. Like this, different types of industries are there. Even occupations also, some people will do making baskets, pottery, fishing, agriculture, like that. So many types of occupations are there. And famous places like in Hampi Stone Chariot, in Vijaypura Gold Gumbaz, like that, according to their districts, famous places are different. So like this, about your district, you should understand what are the famous places, industries are there, what are the occupations are there, and what type of climate your district have. Like this, you collect the information about your district. Okay. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you, children.